What if I told you there's a digital notebook that anyone in the world can see but no one can change? I'm talking about Bitcoin. Imagine this notebook has 1,000 pages. We'll call this notebook the ledger, and every page in the ledger is a block. Now, let's say you want to send some digital money to someone. For instance, we write down on the current page, Sophia sends 1 Bitcoin to Nova. Lots of other people are making transactions too, and they're all written on this same page. Once the page is full, we need to seal it. But how do we make sure no one can cheat and change what's written? This is where the magic happens. To seal the page, or the block, we have to solve a super complex math puzzle. Computers all over the world compete to solve it. The first one to find the solution gets to seal the page and is rewarded with some brand new Bitcoin. This is called mining. Once a page is sealed, it gets a unique seal number, like a fingerprint. This seal is then used to create the puzzle for the next page. So page 2's puzzle depends on page 1's seal. Page 3's puzzle depends on page 2's seal, and so on. This creates a chain of pages, called a blockchain. If someone tries to go back and change a transaction on, let's say page 50 of the ledger, they would break the seal. This would change the puzzle for page 51, which would break its seal, and so on, all the way to the end. It would create a massive ripple effect that everyone on the network would immediately notice. To pull such a scenario off in the ledger, you'd need more computing power than everyone else combined, which is practically impossible. So Bitcoin is just a shared public notebook secured by math puzzles. No direct control by banks or governments, just a global community of people running the network. It's a decentralized, transparent, and incredibly secure way to record transactions. Simple, right? If this helped you finally understand Bitcoin in the simplest way, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex stuff. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.